Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use TradingView Waqar Zaka. Open TradingView, load Waqar Zaka's public ideas or custom script, and attach it to your chart right away. Check input settings and timeframes to match your strategy, then save a template so you can reuse it quickly. Always test indicators on a demo or paper account before trading live to protect your capital and build confidence. Start by combining Waqar Zaka's script with a few basic tools to make signals clearer. I like pairing it with a 50 and 200 moving average and RSI to filter false entries. Set alerts for key crossovers so you do not miss moves, and draw support and resistance to visualize risk. This setup helps you make quicker, more disciplined decisions without watching charts constantly. Treat signals from Waqar Zaka's setups like any other tool and manage risk carefully. Decide position size using a fixed percent of your account and place stop losses beyond logical chart levels. Track your trades in a simple journal to learn what works and what does not. Over time, small adjustments reduce losses and preserve gains, so focus on consistency more than chasing every signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.